There's a beaver dam that is so large in Alberta, Canada, that was actually first seen in 2007 by satellite images. So this beaver dam is so large you can see it from outer space. At over 850 meters long, nearly 2,800 feet, it's the largest beaver dam in the world. And it stretches twice the length of the Hoover Dam, built entirely by generations of beavers. This incredible structure sits in the Wood Buffalo National Park, and it's one of the most remote areas on the planet. So these beavers use nothing but their teeth to cut down trees, drag branches, and create a fortress that slows water flow, protects their lodges, and provides food for them. Decades of work by these small but mighty engineers have left a mark so big you can literally see it from outer space.